Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some mostly sunny skies across the area currently. Going to see some cloud cover move in from the north today, as well as a boundary stretching across the area. That's going to give us a chance of some showers and some thunderstorms, especially during the late afternoon hours today. But we'll see a chance of thunderstorms once we move about past noon today, and then it'll continue, as I mentioned, through the evening into the early overnight hours. Overall, for today, we'll see the warmest conditions in the morning with a northeasterly flow that's developed across the region. Going to cap our temperatures today in the mid-80s. And we'll also see a chance of some wind gusts near 25 knots during the late afternoon as well today. Taking a look at our current sounding from this morning, a freezing level around 15,000 feet. Winds in general are light throughout the column. Once again this morning, seeing winds out of the northerly component and light in the low levels, then becoming more northwesterly in the mid levels, and still light only about 10 knots, and seeing a peak wind out of the north-northeast at 22 knots at 25,000 feet this morning. Our current surface analysis shows a boundary stretching across the region this morning. That's going to be the case through today into tomorrow, and then finally washing out across the region on Wednesday. But with this boundary over the region, we'll see those chances of showers and thunderstorms increasing for this afternoon, and then continued chance of showers as we move into our Tuesday. And that frontal washout across the region on Wednesday, so only a slight chance of a lingering shower across the region on Wednesday. Our current satellite imagery, you can see we do have that cloud cover starting to build in from the north, and that will continue to do so throughout the day today. And we'll see a good amount of cloud cover, especially, as I mentioned, during the late afternoon and the evening hours, with a chance of some showers and thunderstorms. Looking at our current radar imagery, you can see we do have some showers off to our north, currently over Delaware and the northern portions of Maryland on the Delmarva Peninsula. Again, these showers will continue to try to move down towards the region for this afternoon. With this northeasterly flow, we should see those showers and thunderstorms popping up this afternoon on the western portion of the Delmarva Peninsula, and that'll put that shower and thunderstorm chances along the northern and western edge of this 10 nautical mile area around the facility. So could be seeing a thunderstorm just within that area, which would give us a lightning warning. So we'll continue to monitor that for the afternoon hours. And looking how the HRRR does develop those showers and thunderstorms for this afternoon, you can see here by 1 o'clock, right along the western portions of the Delmarva Peninsula, right along the Chesapeake Bay there, showing those showers, thunderstorms popping up. And we'll continue to see those showers, thunderstorms popping up, especially during the later afternoon and the evening hours today. And then overnight, we'll continue to see a chance of showers, lower chance of lightning or thunderstorms in the area, as we'll have more onshore flow, lots of low-level cloud cover that's going to stabilize the atmosphere for the overnight hours. And for Tuesday, we'll continue to see chances of showers and a possibility of an isolated thunderstorm inland. But we'll continue to see chances of showers here at Wallops, low clouds likely, northeasterly flow, so a much cooler day across the region on Tuesday. And once we move into our Tuesday night into Wednesday, should see that activity start to decrease across the region. And then for Wednesday, going to see a possibility of a pop-up shower across the area. But overall, not much in the way of activity expected for Wednesday in general. So taking a look today at our risk chart across the region, going to see a high this morning around 83 to 84 degrees, then falling into the lower 80s by noon, and overnight we'll see a low of 72 degrees. We'll see a chance of those showers and thunderstorms once we move past noon today. As I mentioned, best chance between 1600 and midnight, and then a good chance of some rainfall once again between 4 and 8 local on Tuesday morning. Capping those thunderstorm chances today around 30%, but with that, as I mentioned, the showers and thunderstorms possibly developing on the western shore of the Delmarva Peninsula today. Going to see that possibility of seeing those lightning strikes just within that 10 nautical mile range ring. As far as our winds go today, we'll see northeasterly winds picking up this afternoon in the evening hours, 12 to 17 knots, gusts to 23 knots during the late afternoon and evening hours, so could see a wind gust up to 25 knots, so a yellow here, so about 20-30% chance of seeing a wind advisory as well. Then overnight, should see those winds decrease once again, down 9 to 14 knots, gusts to 20 knots. Our 24-hour terminal forecast, we'll see in general today VFR conditions this morning, and then becoming with those ceilings around 1,000 to 1,500 feet this afternoon, with the chances of showers and as well as chances of thunderstorms into the afternoon hours. By tomorrow morning, just going to see some low-level cloud cover around 500 feet with a chance of some showers in the area. Our tides are running normal at this time, and looking at our Tuesday into Wednesday, Tuesday overcast and slightly breezy, low clouds and rain showers, likely a high of 77 degrees. Tuesday night overcast with chance of light rain and drizzle, low of 71. And for Wednesday, overcast, low clouds during the morning, becoming mostly cloudy in the afternoon. Chance of an isolated pop-up shower during the afternoon on Wednesday. Slightly breezy at a high of 82 degrees. Best chance of rainfall for the next 3 time periods here comes on Tuesday with an orange, looking about a solid 60% chance of some rain showers in the region. Also going to see a chance of some winds near 25 knots on Tuesday afternoon as well as Wednesday afternoon, and also seeing a chance of some low ceilings. Looks like they'll just be above 500 feet here for this time period, but can't rule out we have some ceilings less than 500 feet. So looking at the next 7 days here, you can see we have highs in the lower 80s today, upper 70s on Tuesday, lower 80s on Wednesday once again, and then for Thursday and Friday, we'll see temperatures back in the lower 80s and continue with that on Saturday, and looks like we'll have some mid-80s for Sunday. Precip chances, as I mentioned, we'll have a decent chance of some showers and a possible thunderstorm today, continuing to Tuesday with that rainfall fairly likely across the region. And then for Wednesday and Thursday, we'll see low-end chances of some showers. Thursday looks like the closest approach of Hurricane Erin, with a 30% chance of a shower moving in the morning, as well as some breezy conditions. Not going to see many direct impacts from Erin here, but we'll see a possibility of a shower rotating in off the ocean, as well as some breezy conditions with some wind gusts possibly as high as 30 to 35 knots. Friday and Saturday, we'll see high pressure build in the region, and then Sunday, we'll see a front starting to move towards the region for late Sunday, possibly giving us another shower or thunderstorm during the evening hours. So taking a look at the track of Hurricane Erin from the Hurricane Center here, currently a Category 4 hurricane at 130 miles sustained winds. We're seeing a movement at northwest at 13 miles an hour. You'll see here the track takes it between Bermuda and the east coast of the United States. And with that, the closest approach will come late Wednesday into Thursday here at Wallops, and moving quickly out to sea from Thursday to Friday into Saturday. And we'll see those sea states very high across the region as we move through our Wednesday into Thursday, with some seas off the coast between 15 and 20 feet. So very high sea state with this hurricane moving closest to the region between Wednesday night and Thursday. And taking a quick look at Hurricane Erin and the satellite imagery, you can see very well organized hurricane at this time. We're going to see this system continue to move off the north and west, but right now a strong hurricane giving the Bahamas and those areas in the Caribbean some unsettled conditions with some tropical storm force conditions. And taking a look at the latest hurricane models here, the 12Z run here from the hurricane models, seeing that forecast track between Bermuda and the United States, with the UK Met here the closest to the United States and still well off our coast. It will be becoming a fairly large hurricane this time, so we'll see some indirect impacts, as I mentioned, on Wednesday night and Thursday from the system, with some showers possible and as well as some breezy conditions. Well, that's going to complete the 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. I hope everybody has a great day today. We're back tomorrow morning, 8:15 at 10 a.m.